Welcome back to Fit and Tech with Cornelius. In this video, I'm going to show you how I solved the Windows 11 installation issue. Let's get into it.
So I want to create a Windows 11 VM on my ESXi machine. I created a new VM and I gave it about 12 CPUs, 8 gigs of RAM, 96 gig hard drive, and then created a new VM. Started up the new VM, pressing the key to start, and started booting up. Then I ran through the prompts to install Windows 11. Then I selected Windows 11 Pro. Then I ran into this issue: PC can't run Windows 11. I restarted the server and entered the BIOS and scrolled to System Settings, Trusted Platform Module, updated to TPM 2. Warning pops up, I agreed to the change and then rebooted the server. Then ran into the second problem: physical presence is not asserted. After a quick research, I found out that there is a TPM switch on the motherboard. I toggled the TPM switch to on and then rebooted the server. After I rebooted the server, logged into BIOS settings, security, TPM, then updated to TPM 2.0. Rebooted the server again, then I got the TPM update in progress. I boot right into my ESXi and attempted to install Windows 11 again. I kept running into the same issue with the Windows 11 install. Then I remember I can do the OOBE /bypass NRO. I followed the prompt but kept hitting the same error. Then I remembered the network internet connection must be disconnected. So I powered off the virtual machine and edited the settings by unchecking the connect box for the adapter. Then I powered on the virtual machine, followed the prompts, and this is the option that I'm looking for. Select I don't have internet, continue with limited setup, create username and admin password, answer the security questions, then boot it into Windows 11 desktop.